Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix we couldn't find your OneDrive folder error. So friends, to fix this OneDrive error there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, copy this tags. So type on notepad like me, local app data sign %sign /Microsoft/OneDrive OneDrive.exe space / and reset. So copy this code. Now press Windows key plus R. Now paste that code here. Then click on OK. Now try to open OneDrive. Hopefully this method will work. And friends, still you are facing error. So there is another method. Firstly, open OneDrive. So after OneDrive, so when you open OneDrive, you will see this OneDrive sign. So just right click on it. Now in here click on settings. Friends, in here you need to click on unlink this PC. So firstly, unlink this OneDrive from this PC and after that you sign in. Again click on unlink account. Now friends, sign in again. So hopefully using this true method, this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update. And friends, please comment this video work for you or not.